Mzansi goes crazy over LootLove's pregnancy announcement. The Twitter streets have been in a complete frenzy ever since LootLove announced on Friday afternoon that she and Reason are expecting twins. The TV star left fans shook in a good way when she took to Instagram to share a picture of her growing baby bump with 2 drawings on it. LootLove also poured her heart out about her journey so far, which she described as the most beautiful time of her life. "It's a phenomenal time to be me. God and my ancestors came together for me and blessed me with something so wonderful. I'm pregnant. I won't lie. I'm shook. Haha," she said. The mama-to-be added that she was scared, excited, and nervous all at the same time. "I always thought I was cool, and now to find out that I'm having twins makes me even cooler. I am carrying hip and hop. This is the most beautiful time of my life. Most precious. The scariest and the most exciting. I'm completely vulnerable and sensitive. I'm excited. I'm nervous, but all that goes away when I feel weird little gas bubbles, which I now know are little kicks because I'm carrying life. A reminder of the miracle and wonder that is God." LootLove explained that she decided to keep her pregnancy away from the spotlight until now to give those close to them their moment with the news. "The most important thing for me has been protecting my family, my person's family, his beautiful children, and respecting tradition. My silence has had everything to do with making sure that everyone who matters has their moment with this, that they feel everything, from shock to happiness to curiosity to excitement, all of it. Alone, without the rest of the country pitching in, hounding them / adding commentary / calling or harassing them, etc. It's a beautiful time, it's a sacred time, it's our time." Celebrities including the likes of Maps Maponyana, Terry Fito, Thumbi Samdota, Boyti, and hundreds of fans have congratulated LootLove and Reason.